Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we will discuss about one of the basic phenomena of electromagnetism, which is induced EMF or induction of potential difference from one side to another. The phenomena deals with a changing magnetic field created by alternating current from one side. This changing magnetic field is transferred from the input side, which is also called as primary side, to the secondary side. How this happens? What happens is the input side, which is also called as primary side, a potential difference is applied on this side called as Vp, and this is alternating potential difference or alternating voltage. This causes alternating current to start flowing and through this coil, which is called as the primary coil. This primary coil is basically a wire or conductor wound on an iron core, which is also called as soft iron core. This changing magnetic field created when current passes, or alternating current precisely, passes through the primary side is induced or transferred through this core to the output side, which is the secondary side. The secondary side is again wound with the same conductor, but we have to keep in mind that they are not directly connected. This transfer of magnetic field, changing magnetic field from one side induced into the secondary side, is basically through the core. This changing magnetic field, when transfers to this side, creates a potential difference or EMF called as Vs, or a voltage or potential difference at secondary. This voltage or potential difference can be more than the primary voltage or can be less than. This depends upon the number of turns that we have done on the secondary side. If the number of turns on secondary side is more than the primary side, we will obtain an output more than the input potential difference, and such a transformer is called step-up transformer. If the number of turns on secondary side is less than the number of turns on primary side, then we will say that we are obtaining a potential difference at the output side which is less than the primary potential difference or primary voltage. And such a transformer which provides us a lower value of potential difference at output is called step-down transformer. We also have transformer equation, which is for an ideal transformer which is 100% efficient and has no losses. We assume that all of the EMF is induced from this side to the primary to secondary side. We have this equation Ds upon Vp is equal to Ns upon Np, where potential difference across secondary upon potential difference across primary is equal to number of turns upon secondary upon number of turns of primary. So reviewing this entire lecture, we discussed that changing currents at primary side creates a changing magnetic field. At secondary, this changing magnetic field induces an EMF on the secondary side. Secondary side is the output side where we connect our load. In most of the cases, we often have appliances which are rated or designed for a lower potential difference than the value obtained or the value which the switch or the main supply is providing. For that purpose, we use this transformer to step down the voltage and bring it to the appropriate value required. There are several numerical questions that we solve using this equation. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications. In other videos, we will go ahead to solve numerical questions based on this equation and based on the working of step up and step down transformer. Thank you.